Hello my darlings, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. We had the first snowfall of the year this morning, so I'm in a very good mood. But it also means that I am at work, which is a bit of a bummer. So we're at work for today's video, but that's fine. It just means that I've got a nice background. Right, today we're talking about Smol. This is a company that I've spoken about quite a lot before because I love them. They're just such a nice company, and I rave about their cleaning sprays, the ones that like you dissolve the tablet in water and then it stops having to like ship water around the country all the time. But I wanted to talk about some of their other products that they have today because we're going to be buying our first house in the next few months. So these kind of products are the things that I'm going to need to start thinking about. So the company itself is actually one of my favorite companies because the people that work there are just so lovely, and they have the best customer service that I think ever seen in a company. Like, they get back to you so quickly and they give you such a detailed response, which I absolutely adore because I'm one of those people that, like, if I need help now. They're absolutely brilliant because they educate people and help people to make more green choices when it comes to their washing. So it's things like not putting on half loads, running it on a cooler cycle, and then obviously using a more sustainable detergent as well. And they also do a lot of like little charity things as well, which I really appreciate. They're just like all round such a lovely company, and I feel so good giving them my money because like I know that my money is going to a good place rather than if it's going to just like Ariel, who's owned by fucking who, and they're doing what? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Do you know what I mean? Not the one. So the laundry capsules, they come on like a delivery schedule. So they'll come however often as you set it, and they come in this box right through the post, so you never have to remember to pick it up at the shops and then forget it and then need to go back in, thus wasting all that petrol. Fully recyclable packaging, it's all cardboard, so it means that you're not paying into the production of virgin plastics. I try so hard to not buy things that come in plastic. Sometimes it's unavoidable, but with laundry detergent, it is no longer unavoidable. So the cost of the Smol laundry capsules is 17 pence per wash, which is significantly cheaper than Ariel, Surf, other brands like that. So it's cheaper and better for the environment, so it's a complete no-brainer. They actually produce 35% less carbon emissions than a regular capsule. They use much less chemicals than an average detergent. They also give you the option of bio, which is one that I have, non-bio, and super extra non-bio, fragrance-free for like really sensitive skin. So it's a very similar product in terms of the way that it's compiled. So it's an all-in-one product, so you no longer need to get salt or rinse aid for your dishwasher. This has, I guess, just like bits of salt. I'm not really sure how the whole salt situation in dishwashers works, but they use way less chemicals than a regular dishwasher tablet, so it's far superior. So it comes through the post in the same way as the other ones in a Forestry Stewardship Council, is that what it's called, FSC? It's like a sustainable cardboard. It's got a security lock system on it, so obviously because there's like harsh chemicals inside it, you don't want any little kids or animals or anything to get to it. They actually have improved the packaging recently. It used to be a little bit more difficult to actually activate the locking mechanism, but now it's much easier. They've only got two little things that you need to press in and it'll open up for you. So yeah, the packaging is just absolutely sensational. Each load costs you 15 pence, which is cheaper than your big brands and other eco brands that you'll find out there as well. These both work just as well as like your regular products. They're a little bit cheaper and they're just so much better for the environment, so I absolutely adore them. I feel so good. Like every time I put on a load of washing and I like pop out my little capsule out of my cardboard thingamajig and put it in, like it literally makes me feel so good. Like it makes me feel like I'm really doing something, and it's just such an easy thing as well. Like it literally makes no difference ordering a small dishwasher tablet versus going in and buying some in the supermarket, like, or ordering them with your Tesco delivery. Like it makes no difference to you, but it makes such a massive difference to the planet. And I mean, it does make a difference to you because it makes you feel really good. It makes you feel so good to use them. So I absolutely recommend them 100%. As well as getting your first month totally for free, you can use my discount code Kirsty10 to get 10% off your second month. So 1 month for free, then the next month with 10% off. I need to say as well that these products were sent to me for the sake of making this review, but everything that I've said is absolutely my own opinion, and I absolutely would never recommend something that I didn't use myself and fully believe in and fully love. So I hope that you enjoy getting some money off of your eco choices, and I love you so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.